Hello, 8th and ninth period. Mr. Conover here. Just wanted to go through some directions. Unfortunately, I cannot be here today. I had a little emergency. I have to run out. That's why we are in the library. Nonetheless, our project is going to be due on Monday the 16th, and most of our only homework this week is to work on that project, getting the intro, body, and conclusion done. Yesterday, we looked at the introduction paragraph, and hopefully you put a hook articulating sentences and a thesis in your statement. I'm going to be looking in on some of those tonight, and I'll be commenting on those. So if you see some advice, please take it. It might be helpful to getting a good grade on this paper. Also, if you take a look, we're going to be taking a look at body paragraphs today. So let's get right to it. In Google Classroom, I've uploaded a document for body paragraph possible formats. Okay, and this kind of mirrors what is on the graphic organizer that you all filled out. That's why I wanted you to have them done. There are two styles, and for this essay, you may choose to write your body using either style. I'm suggesting doing style 1, but style 2 is an option as well. Style 1, the format is RACECES, RACECES, all in one paragraph. Style 2 is RACCEES, RACCEES, another style. So let's take a look at, let's say our two stories are The Telltale Heart and The Raven. And let's say for The Telltale Heart, you picked the literary term of mood. So story 1, The Telltale Heart, topic sentence, and background information, red and black type for giving a general answer about why mood makes it scary. We're going to then find a particular supporting quotation that uses mood and shows how it makes it scary, and give an explanation of why that quote specifically shows that. Another quote for the same literary element of mood. Give me another supporting quotation that shows how mood makes the story scary, and give me an explanation why that quotation specifically does that. Concluded about mood in here. In the same paragraph, you're going to have another topic sentence in red and black and some general answer about why tone, our second literary element, does that. I'm just selecting one randomly, of course. So you're going to use tone. So let's say you find a quotation that shows tone making the Telltale Heart scary, and an explanation of that quotation, why that quotation is a good example of how tone makes the story scary. Then another example, okay, about the same literary element of tone, okay, another quotation, and another explanation of the quotation, why that tone makes that story so scary. Of course, wrapping it up. You're going to repeat this whole process. Let's say our next one is stream of consciousness, and our story is, let's say it is The Raven. Okay, so in our first literary element, so we describe stream of consciousness, give a little background about it with the story. We give a quotation that shows stream of consciousness. We show how that quotation makes, is a good example of why the story is scary because of stream of consciousness. Then say we have irony. Okay, we explain how, give me a quote with irony, something ironic. Then we give an explanation of why that quotation is demonstrating how scary the story is because of irony. Okay, we conclude it. We go to our next one. Okay, you get the point. We go right down. You give me a literary element. You quote, explain, sum up. Give me a next literary element. Quote it, explain the quote, explain the quote, sum it up. Is it scary? Is it not scary? Okay. If what I suggest that you do, okay, honors class, you're going to have 3. There's a whole nother, the same document, there's the third story. But what I suggest that you guys do after you look this over, before you type a thing, I'm giving you a model of style 1, okay? Style 2, what style 2 does is give topic, background, quote, explanation, concluding, okay? Quote, explanation, concluding. It just takes them and lumps them together. I prefer style 1. You're welcome to do style 2. I will not penalize you either way. Color-coded, of course, to help you. But before you type a thing, I want you to work on this, okay? Examples, all right? Telltale Heart, take a look at a good sample, okay? This is a great example of a sample paragraph, one that's well written. Okay, so please read this before you start typing. If you have any questions, don't forget to email me. Okay, take care. We'll see you.